Let's compare Black Soot Distress ink with Black Soot Distress Oxide ink. Distress ink is a dye ink and Distress Oxide is a dye pigment blend. So Distress ink is transparent, whereas Oxide, because of the pigment properties, it has some opacity to it. So the first thing I did was use it with a blending brush with a stencil, then direct to pad on my paper here. I'm using mixed media cardstock because I plan to add some water in just a moment. And then the third thing I did was use a stamp with it. Now, most of them look fairly similar. The oxide looks slightly lighter. Because of the pigment, it has a bit of opacity, but it also has a little bit of a chalky look to it. When I add water to them, both these pads are water reactive, so they're both going to start to bleed and blend and feather out. I can use a heated tool to cool or to dry that ink to get that bleeding to slow down or stop. Both of these pads have re-inkers available for them, so you can re-ink them as they start to go dry. And the great thing is you can use that water reactive to your benefit. You can create some fun looks and do really neat techniques with it. And each one looks slightly different when they bleed.